Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate PropStream for property targeting and ownership research, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate PropStream for property targeting and ownership research, start by visiting the official PropStream website. Locate the sign up button on the homepage and click on it. Fill in the required information including your name, email address, and password. Review the terms of service and privacy policy. Check the box to agree to the terms and conditions. Click on the Get Started or Sign Up button to create your account. Once your account is created, you will receive a confirmation email. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. After verifying your email, return to the PropStream website and log in with your credentials. Once logged in, explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the platform. To activate your account, you may need to select a subscription plan that suits your needs. Choose a plan based on your property research requirements. Enter your payment details to finalize your subscription. After completing the payment process, your account will be fully activated. Now, navigate to the property search feature located in the main menu. Input the type of properties you want to target, such as residential, commercial, or multifamily. Use the advanced filters to refine your search based on criteria like location, price range, and property type. Click on the search button to generate a list of properties that match your criteria. Once the results are displayed, you can further analyze individual properties by clicking on them. Review property details, including ownership information, property history, and comparable sales. Utilize the data to make informed decisions regarding your investment targets. To export or save property information, use the provided tools on the platform. Continue to explore additional features such as marketing tools and reports. Regularly check for updates and new functionalities within PropStream to enhance your research capability. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.